Pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Brian E. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, September 23, 2025. Ngayong araw po natin tutuloy ating series which is a seminary edition. Specifically, ang topic po natin for this day is about spirituality of God. Sino ang nag-invento sa Diyos? And now, para po sa araw na to, talata po natin magagaling sa Deuteronomy chapter 4, verses 15 and 16. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. Idolatry forbidden. You saw no form of any kind the day the Lord spoke to you out of the fire. Therefore, watch yourselves very carefully, so that you do not become corrupt and make for yourselves an idol, an image of any shape, whether formed like a man or a woman. Now, pang ating mas maunawaan kung ibig sabihin ng talata nito. Ngayon po, tayo pagdadak sa ating teaching for today. So we should always remember na ang Diyos ay Spirit. Hindi natin siya nakikita with our physical eyes, pero hindi ibig sabihin nito na siya ay malayo sa atin. Yes, He is invisible sa ating mga mata, yet He is always present and lagi siyang nandiyan sa ating mga buhay. And also, God's presence fills and overwhelms creation. Let's always remember that there is no place that is too small or that is too dark or too far where He is absent. Kasi sa lahat ng lugar sa buong universe, it is sustained by Him. And also, because of who He is, God must be honored at all times. Hindi lamang sa araw ng linggo, not just sa mga panahon na tayo ay okay, but in every season or kumbaga sa lahat ng sitwasyon natin sa buhay, He deserves our respect, He deserves reverence and worship. So ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating application. So ano nga ba yung mga dapat natin gawin or apply sa ating mga buhay? So una po, beware of inventing your own God. Minsan, yung mga tao, they try to shrink God into their own version, wherein it is someone fits their preferences or to make excuses about their lifestyle. Pero tanda natin na ang totoong Diyos, He is the biggest or siya yung most holy. Our God is holier than that. And also be conscious of God's presence daily. Kahit saan man yan or any kahit saan aspeto man yan ng iyong buhay, even it is about your work, even it is about your studies, or kahit sa mga bagay na nahihirapan ka, always remind yourself that palagi siya nandiyan para sa'yo. And also, be a true worshiper of God at all times. Yung pag-worship po, hindi lamang ito about pag-praise and worship. Hindi lamang ito about pagkanta. Rather, it is about living in a way na nakapag-glorify at nakapag-honor sa Kanya. From the words you say to the choices you make. Let's always remember that God, our God, is the true God. So let's always remember na He always deserves our respect, our worship, our lahat ng meron tayo sa buhay galing sa Kanya. That's why He deserves our worship. So always glorify Him. So always honor Him. So marami pa tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.